When we first heard of our friends getting free travel using credit card travel reward programs, we were overwhelmed by the ocean of choices. We learned the top travel rewards programs and will simplify it for you, so you don't have to spend the countless hours of research we had to. Make sure to stick around to the end of the video where we share the unique benefits for each, so you can learn which program best fits your goal. Top 3 programs. With all of the variety of rewards programs out there, we're going to dumb it down to the top 3 programs. The Chase Ultimate Rewards Program, the American Express Program, and the Citi Thank You Rewards Program. Each program has its pros and cons, so we're going to simplify it for you so that you can get a high-level understanding of each program and decide which one fits your use case and goals the best. Starting off with the Chase Ultimate Rewards programs, there's many things that you can do with this program. First, you can pay with points. You can also get purchases from Apple using the Ultimate Rewards store. You can also get gift cards. Pay yourself back, which gives you options to get statement credits at multipliers. Book dining. Book travel. Earn bonus points when you shop through Chase. Get cash back. Purchase experiences. And lastly, the most important one, transfer to travel partners, where you can transfer at a one-to-one value. Chase Ultimate Rewards uses reward points from your everyday purchases from any of the travel credit cards that they offer. Chase also has the Trifecta, which I've talked about in a previous video that I'll leave a link below. This consists of the Freedom Unlimited card, the Freedom Flex card, and the Chase Sapphire Reserve card that can be used together to earn the Chase Ultimate Rewards points that can be used for any of those categories we previously mentioned. With the AMEX membership rewards, you can book travel, transfer your points, pay with points at checkout, cover your charges from your statement, use them to purchase gift cards, get upgrades on your flights with points, go shopping, and give back. You can earn AMEX membership rewards points by spending everyday spend on the travel cards as well. AMEX also has its own trifecta, which consists of the Business Plus Blue card, the American Express Gold card, and the American Express Platinum card. Lastly, you have the Citi Thank You points, which offers a variety of overlapping redemption offers. You can spend it on gift cards, travel rewards, shopping with points, getting cash back, covering your recent purchases, transferring to different partners, and charity. Just like the other programs, Citi also has its own trifecta, which offers you different ways to earn the thank you points across 3 different cards. The first one being the Citi Double Cash credit card, then the Premier card, and lastly the Custom Cash card. All of the programs are going to have benefits that they share. I like to split it up in 2 terms. 1, how do you earn the points? Then 2, how do you actually redeem the points? With all of the programs, you'll see that there's varieties of ways for you to earn the points, given that they each have a trifecta. Also, with how you can redeem the points, they all can be redeemed for roughly the same types of categories. Now, what's going to differ is the rate of what you earn and then the rate of what you redeem. Meaning, can you get more points for your normal everyday spend, or can you redeem those points for higher value? Let's review how easy it is to use the points. This will make sure that we understand how easy it is to use it as a currency to fulfill your travel goals. Let's take a look at the summary table where we made it easy for you to understand the differences between each program. Pay with points is the same across all of the programs. Gift cards are available through all the programs. Statement credit is as well. And if we look at dining credit, this is where we see the difference. Chase offers dining credit where the other ones don't. You're able to book travel across all of the programs. You're able to upgrade your flight only on American Express, and the ability to earn bonus points through shopping comes only through Chase. Chase and Citi allow cash back while American Express does not. You can book experiences only through Chase. Everybody allows transfer to different partners. Only Chase doesn't allow you to do transfer to charities, and American Express is the only one that doesn't allow you to share points, although there are different rules. Chase, for example, allows you to transfer points to household members only, and Citi allows you to transfer points to anybody, but only up to 100K per year. Comparing the rewards programs, you'll see that they share a lot of the benefits here. Mainly if you're looking for travel, they do have a lot of the same benefits that you'll get across each of them. Earning points. Let's go over how each of the rewards programs earns points. For ease of use, Chase is roughly a medium. This is because there's a lot of different ways for you to earn and you have to stay on top of it. American Express is fairly easy because it gives high bonus points in just a couple certain categories. Citi is the easiest because it'll give you the flexibility and it's just a flat rate of 2% across the board, or you can choose your bonus categories on top of that, but you get to choose it. Sign up bonus wise, Chase offers roughly 100K, American Express through the Trifecta offers 90 to 150K, and a $250 statement bonus after you spend enough amount of money on the cards, and Citi gives you roughly 80,000 in points. The minimum percent earned represents what's the floor level of what the Trifecta is going to give you. For Chase, it's 1.5%, for American Express, it's 2%, and for Citi, it's 2%. Lastly, we wanted to look into the categories, which means what categories can you earn the bonus points in, and how easy it is to use those. For Chase, it's fairly difficult because you have to keep track of when the Chase Freedom Flex is going to give you different types of bonuses so that you can stay on top of it to earn that 5%. But again, these categories rotate, so you have to stay on top of it on a quarter by quarter basis, as well as you have to opt in. American Express is fairly travel focused. It gives roughly 5% on flights, hotels booked through American Express, and groceries and restaurants. Citi is the easiest because it just gives you that floor rate of 2%, and then you get to choose your bonus categories on top of that. Redeeming the rewards. Now we'll go into the aspects of redeeming the rewards. For ease of use, this means how easy it is to actually get your points and use them. Chase stands out as the easiest because it does offer that travel portal and a significant amount of transfer partners that you can transfer to in an easy way. Points value. This means once you get the points and you go to spend them, how valuable are the actual points to what you want to spend them on. Chase also stands out here with the best because they offer a 1.5x travel boost when you use the travel portal. American Express also comes in as high because you get to use it on a wide variety of different things. Combining points. All the programs allow you to combine points, but Chase makes you manually do it. So you have to actually log in and then click through to actually combine the points across your multiple cards. American Express and Citi will automatically combine your points as long as you have all of the cards under the same account. One-to-one transfers to partners. This counts for if you transfer over to a different partner, do you get 1 point of your rewards points for one of their rewards points? For Chase, it's always. For American Express and Citi, it comes across as sometimes because for some partners, you won't get the full one-to-one. Transfer airlines. This counts the amount of transfer partners that each reward program has. For Chase, there's 11. American Express leads here with 17. Citi has 14. Airlines quality. This is how good the airlines are that you can actually transfer them to. Since Chase and American Express have more, they definitely stand out here. Chase also has the ability to transfer to Southwest, which the other two, American Express and Citi, don't. American Express is still good. They have a lot of varieties of different airline partners, and Citi is definitely lagging here. Transfer hotels. To me, this might be biased, but Chase stands out because Hyatt, IHG, and Marriott are fairly good hotels with lots of great varieties that fit my type of hotel choice. American Express has Choice, Hilton, and Marriott, and Citi has Accor, Choice, and Wyndham. It wouldn't be complete if we didn't talk about lounge access. With the Chase Trifecta, you get a pretty good access to different lounge. You'll get the Priority Pass Select, which allows you to get into all of the Priority Pass lounges, as well as restaurants at certain airports where there aren't any lounges. American Express gives you both the Priority Pass and Centurion Lounge access, as well as a breadth of other lounges. They definitely stand out as the best here. Citi does not give any lounge access. So if you're traveling a lot and want access to that lounge to get free food and free drinks while you wait for your flight, you're definitely going to want to go with the Chase or American Express. Annual fees. The final aspect for us to review are the annual fees and your ability to break even. This is important because you're going to have to shell out money up front in the form of annual fees that you'll have to figure out if it's worth it for you or not. With Chase, the gross annual fee is $550 across the Trifecta. For American Express, their Trifecta is $945. For Citi, it's $95. Here, Citi definitely leads with the lowest, but again, you get lesser benefits than the other ones. Break even annually depends on if you're able to recoup the cost back on the benefits that you're going to use. For Chase, you can easily do it if you travel somewhat. Each time you go to a lounge, you can roughly get $20 to $40 back. You also make the bonus points on an annual basis, as well as restaurant credits and travel credits. For American Express, it's definitely harder to recoup that $945. They do give you a lot of benefits across the gold and the platinum cards, but it's known to be a coupon book. You have to specifically spend monthly amounts on things like streaming services, Uber, and certain restaurants where the credits apply. For Citi, it's pretty straightforward. You just need to recoup the $95 by getting the bonus points that you spend every year, as well as use your travel statement. Let's sum it all up and identify who each program is best for. For Chase, it's going to be for the vacation hacker who does travel roughly once a quarter or more. You can then easily recoup your cost back of $550 through the bonuses that they give you, the travel credits, and the lounge. American Express is best for the serial traveler who travels a lot for work or for fun, but you should be traveling at least once a month here to make back the $945 annual fee. You'll also have to be on top of your coupon book and spending those on a monthly basis. Citi is best for people who say, who cares about travel? Just show me the money. It's the easiest to get your cash back, and it's the easiest way to earn. Watch this video next where we show you more tips we learned the hard way to live a life of luxury for less so you don't have to.